my name's Mike Auton. I'm the local broker here for the Catamaran company on the west coast of Florida in St Petersburg. We're here today for a survey on a 2006 Lagoon 423 cabin. The boat will be hauled out. They normally just hang it in the slings for an hour. The surveyor will look at things like the rudder bearings, the prop shafts. He'll sound the hull for any hollow spots. He'll look for things like osmosis blisters. And we'll be at the yard later and we'll show you exactly what goes on when the boat's hauled. We're due to take the boat out to Salt Creek Marina, which is about a 30-minute passage from here, to get it hauled out at 11 o'clock this morning. One of the most nerve-wracking points for any boat owner is you're coming in to approach the travel lift here. You've got to position the boat to get it right between the slings. There'll be a bunch of guys on the dock here to help us.
Feel it.
So the boat's just been pulled out of the water here, now in the slings. The surveyor's just about to go around, check the props, rudder bearings. He's going to sound the hull for any hollow spots and probably look for any signs of blistering on the hulls. He's looking for playing props, bearings, and then he'll also look at the rudders to see if there's any play.
You wouldn't feel that while motoring?
No, that's why you really need to haul the boats out to get a proper look.
Basically, we're looking for delamination when we do this, and the sounding, it's going to come out like the difference between hitting a solid piece of wood and the top of a snare drum is how it sounds. This was just calibrated different.
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay, glad. I was going to ask.
Did I hear you say you had the mallet calibrated or something like that?
That was just surveyor humor.
Okay.